Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our preliminary report was published on our website on the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.39% since we first identified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.46% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 40.73% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 26.31% to 75.51%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our analysis over the course of 12 months predicts a projected change of 118.29%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may oscillate between 68.88% and 374.74% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest that the future price may fall between $20.54 and $57.73. Period. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline: on Monday, Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price gained an impressive 6.67%. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price increased by 6.67% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, rising from $11.40 to $12.16. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.78%, reaching a low of $11.50 and a high of $12.28. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 0.82% over this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 46 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $564,450,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 43.23%, or $9.26, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the symbol RGTI, has recently navigated a roller coaster of market performance amidst significant developments in the quantum computing sector. The company saw a staggering year-to-date gain of over 1,000%, but competitive pressures from rivals such as IonQ and D-Wave are beginning to cast shadows on this remarkable growth. As highlighted in recent reports, RGTI's impressive rise contrasts with its recent struggles against these competitors, demonstrating the volatility and turbulence characteristic of the tech market. On June 11th, Rigetti completed an equity offering worth $350 million, boosting its cash reserves to about $575 million without any debt. This financial positioning suggests that RGTI is poised to invest in essential developments, including scaling up its quantum technologies and potentially forging strategic partnerships. Such moves could be crucial for maintaining its competitive edge in a rapidly evolving industry. Furthermore, NVIDIA's CEO recently shifted perspectives on quantum computing, signaling a growing optimism in the market. This potential shift in sentiment could positively influence RGTI's stock price, especially if enthusiasm for quantum returns in full swing. However, the recent downturn in stock performance, including a notable 37% decline this year, highlights the risks involved. investors should watch Rigetti closely in the coming weeks, as its ability to leverage recent funding for growth initiatives will be pivotal. Over the short term, the stock may remain subject to volatility, while long-term prospects will heavily rely on the successful execution of its strategic plans in the competitive landscape of quantum computing. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, B. Riley reported that RGTI received a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, Craig Hallam gave RGTI a buy grade alongside an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, Needham reported a buy grade for RGTI with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, B. Riley issued a buy grade for RGTI with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again rate the stock as strong sell. Following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support levels are present at $11.72 and $11.38. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 5, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 11.66%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 166 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $12.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. During the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $0.78 between its high and low, or 6.78%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.29%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $12.52. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $12.10. If this support level holds, it might serve as a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June 2025, Fitzgerald Elisa conducted an insider sale of 77,284 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of warrants, which grant the right to buy. On the 10th of June 2025, Ianati Thomas J. conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June 2025, Johnson Ray O. also conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June 2025, Sanford Helene Gale conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 21.751. In total, insiders purchased 7,538,828 shares and sold 7,786,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.64, which reflects a decrease of 4.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Numerous short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by 180 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $11.98. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.